Hey, good morning, guys. I am up in Mountain Center, California. This is the mountains above Palm Springs, Palm Desert area. And it is really pretty up here. It's my first delivery of the day. I usually come up here with the Class B on Fridays and Saturdays, so. And I try to get up here because there's a tourist area up here. So I try to get up here to these deliveries first before all the tourists get in my way. But yeah, it's finally season's changing. We're at the end of October. It's still nice down the hill and warm, but it's a little chilly up here. Fortunately, I brought my jacket and a beanie in case I needed it, but it's not that bad yet. I am a warm weather person, but I don't mind a little bit of cold. I go to Ohio sometimes for rapid response, so I've dealt with snow on my truck. But I found out the hard way last weekend that the weather's changing. On my day off, I went up to what is it called? Well, the business is called Apple Annie's. My buddy owns it, and his wife, and it's up in Glen, California. Well, I went up there in the afternoon and found out real quick it was a change of season. I only wore a t-shirt, like an Under Armour shirt and some shorts, and I was freezing. So, what's up?
Hot coffee.
Oh, I don't do coffee. I just drink water. Yeah, I'm good though. Thank you. I'll take a water. Yeah, thank you. That's nice of them. You offered me hot coffee, but I just don't drink coffee. Anyways, I was up at Apple Annie's in Oak Glen, and if you guys have never been there and live out here in Southern California, they've redone the place. Really cool. They got this huge slide on the hill where kids can go down in their tubes, or adults, and then you can sit out there like a ski resort at the bar and watch the kids or whoever come down this hill on these tubes. And it's like all season long. They got it set up so you can do it in the summer and when there's snow in the winter. It's pretty cool. Besides all the other, they're known for these fantastic apple pies, and it's an apple country. But you guys live in Southern California and you don't even know about it, it's definitely worth going and checking out. Everything's brand new, redone from COVID, you know, bigger and better. So yeah, go check out my buddies in Oak Glen, Apple Annie's. But thank God I went there Sunday, because if I didn't go there Sunday, I wouldn't even thought about bringing a jacket up here today, and it's even colder up here. This mountain's a little higher, and I would have been not so happy. I put all my warm clothes away, you know, down in the lower desert, and I don't need it until the end of November, usually. So, you know, we only, shoot, we have what, maybe 3 months of winter that you could even call winter? What's up, puppy? Come on. Got this beautiful German Shepherd. It's a service car. How's that? They're good? All right.
Of course, they're cold.
Oh, that's all right. You know, it's funny, is this time of year down the hill, I don't bring as much water Had a couple trucks go down yesterday, so I had to work longer. So I ran out of water. So it's always good. I'll keep it on board. Thank you. I never turn down people give me stuff to drink. You know, they ask me if I want something like a soda or a coffee. I just tell them I don't, you know, I don't drink that stuff. But if they bring it out, you know, I don't turn it down. It's a courtesy and it's nice of them and I appreciate it. So I'll take it. You know, I'll take it home for guests or, you know, sometimes my wife will like. She'll drink soda, not very often, but I just never say no to tips if people are handing them to me, regardless of what it is. Alright, so we got 20-foot lumber to finish up this delivery. So I spread my forks out because it's a little bumpy over here. And they didn't band it at the center line at the store, so I gotta find the center line here. But when you spread the forks, it's just like that. I'm off a little bit, but not enough to make it teeter off. Now, if I was off like this and had the forks closer together, then I could have an issue. So, I just gotta grab all the stickers and that's it. My backup beeper so you guys can hear. Alright, so there's nothing really challenging about this order. I just like the film stuff that's up in these nice areas. You know, down the hill it's just nothing but plain desert. Makes you want to come up here and cut your own Christmas tree down up here. So, only obstacle I have is go up and over this little horse head on the left here. And looks like I got some electrical on the right. Clear shot from here. And it looks like he's already putting stuff down for me to set the wood. Nice big ones, that's even better. Give him a chance to get over here. You want ones on this side? Because I have a couple smaller ones. You got some better ones? That's fine. Makes it easier. You expecting rain up here anytime soon?
Sorry, I'm deaf.
Oh, it's okay. You expecting any rain anytime soon?
Well, I'll Here in the summer, you always have to expect it, you know?
Yeah, I got caught in a little thunderstorm a few months back, and the road was washing out behind me. I had to hurry up and get the hell out of there.
Yeah.
It was, my exit was literally washing away.
Yeah.
I was watching it, and I was like hurrying to get the delivery done. All right. How's that look? Am I good? You want me to lift again, or is that good? You good?
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
I just got to grab a couple photos. There's no signature needed. So, that's everything you're expecting?
Yep.
Perfect.
I know.
All right. What's the dog's name?
Ruger.
Ruger. All right.
The Ruger.
Nice. Yep.
That was his name when he came to me, and I haven't changed it.
Well, that's a good name.
He had 5 owners before me,
Yeah.
and I found out he was a runner. He would run away,
Yeah.
and who knows why a dog does that, but I got him at 1.5 years. He's only about 3.5 now. But if I take him with me all the time,
Yep.
he stays and he minds.
Nice.
You leave him at home, he goes nuts. He doesn't want to be alone. He wants to be around.
Gotta be with the pack, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So somebody probably left him in the backyard too long.
Oh, well, it's a nice looking dog, man.
He's cool, thank you.
So, all right, well, you're all set.
All right.
Thank you very much. Appreciate your service. That's a cool guy. Used to be an Army Ranger. Gave me a salute there. That was pretty cool. I wasn't military, but all right. Well, that's it for this delivery. Nice, easy, beautiful morning delivery. Great way to start the day. Give me a like or comment or subscribe to the channel if you like more videos like this. And if you live out in California, like I said, go check out my friend's business, Apple Annie's, up in Oak Glen, California. It's got scenery like this and a bunch of stuff for the kids and adults, I guess, for the new bars and restaurants and whatnot. So hope you guys have a good day as I started out with, and I'll talk to you later.